You didn't
Did
say
you
goodbye.
like that? Bye.
Yeah, too
No,
late.
let's start over. That was the first go. Let's do it again.
Hey, it's Bingo
Hold
up here.
on. I didn't know we were going.
Well, I was waiting for you, then you started fixing your hair. So
Okay.
I just let it roll because I can cut it off.
Okay.
All right? Ready?
Good morning, Jenny and Bingo up here at Valley, giving you an update of what we got going on this week. Weather's gonna be perfect. Come up, hang out with me and the sales team, and so, let's scratch that.
Well, I didn't. I was starting and you just jumped in. I'm introduction.
Okay, it's your turn.
I'm introduction. You're talking about the events.
What are we talking about? I need
Irish.
this thing down.
We're talking about Irish coffee. Irish coffee. Da da da. Irish
like,
coffee. Rubens. Roll the dice. Luck of the Irish. Da da da.
Okay.
Do you feel better now?
I don't know.
You good?
I mean, I guess.
You good? You good?
I don't know what we're doing, but yeah, I'm good. Let's go. Send it.
Right. Hey, it's Bingo up here at Valley. Don't
Good
forget.
morning. So am I not talking till it's my turn?
Till it's your turn. Let me.
Okay.
And unless they know who you are, I'm not introducing you. You introduce yourself.
Well, quit introducing. They don't need. We don't need to introduce ourselves anyways. Everybody knows who we are.
But you
We're
still-
all over the
You
place.
still have to say who you are because you never know who out there that sees it doesn't know you.
Well, if they come in and visit us, they'll know who we are.
That doesn't work that way.
We'll introduce ourselves personally.
It doesn't fucking work that way. All right, all right. Just,
Whatever you say, Bingo.
just-
You're marketing part-time.
part-time marketing. Alrighty.